All of these presets I've created and refined for maximum results for you guys. If you're looking to 100x your editing speed, retention, and proven frameworks by countless other individuals, this is exactly for you. But these presets are only for serious content creators looking to invest in themselves and, more importantly, in the future. So I'm hoping you are one of those people. All the presets will be down, link in description. Watch till the end to get a special discount, and let's see what these presets and proven frameworks look like. All right, let's dive right into the text presets. I'm gonna go over to my effects, and you can see that I have all of them right here. Logo and text. Actually, we'll start with the logo ones. So this is just a black faded bar. It's not really related to the logo, but if you put, you can see on like it kind of like fades everything. It's really good for when like things pop up. So if you put it like on the bottom, it'll kind of give this like nice black faded, so it kind of looks like it comes in. Black vintage is kind of the same thing. We don't really care about those. We want to see this one right here. So what this essentially does is darken and blur, is it'll darken it, so like how it is right now, and then this one's just in and out. So like from right here, you can see it just darkens in and out. You put everything above that, it's perfect. Same with the darken and blur. Drop shadow, gives it a really nice drop shadow around it. It's pretty subtle, but it's perfect for every single anything. I would actually recommend using the drop shadow from the text I have here. Where is it? Right here. Boom, look at that. That's a nice, lovely drop shadow for you guys. And all of these, you can see there's a rounded corner for PNG. So let's just say I have my beautiful face right here, and we'll put myself down. Whoa. You can just grab this, gives that nice rounded corners, and if you want to even round it more, just grab the border and it'll increase, you can see. And safe zone, you guys will get a safe zone, and you just put that on there. It just, here, I'll show you. Safe zone, basically, what you guys will receive with the pack, it's just a little bonus. You just drag the safe zone preset on it, and now you can see where your eye level is supposed to be, where your captions are supposed to be, and then this is the graphic zone. It's pretty nice, and it saves you a lot of time, that's for sure. Sliding down, you just put it on here, and watch this. It'll slide right down. It depends on how short your clip is. So you can see now I shortened it. Now it's gonna come in a lot faster. Perfect. Now slide in left is just slides in left like that. And all of them are completely combined. So you can see that the slide in right is combined with down, left, right, up. Every single one of them is combined. So you kind of have that kind of like nice self-explanatory. Like I said, all of these are gonna be linked down in the description. White PNG or white border just gives you a nice white border. Everyone loves one of those. That's really popular, especially Ali Abdaal style. Slide out down, like it says, the outs just slide down and slide out right and left. It's self-explanatory, so we don't really need to go into those. This new style has become really popular. So it's just basically a nice fade up. Looks like that one's a little fast coming in, but that's okay. Just completely customize just like this. That looks a lot better. Let's delete that one. I have another one that even looks better. It's coming in a little fast. So let's just drag this down. There, see, look at that. Put this over here. That's awesome. That looks so good. We got a blurry text effect. This gives it a nice little Iman Gadzhi type style and just up the blurriness. See, now it looks like that little grungy Iman Gadzhi style that's kind of like delayed and stuff. I love that. I use that quite a bit. This is a drop shadow. Gives that nice little drop shadow. This is a fade in. So when you want a word just come in, you can just fade it. You can just grab this bar and mess with it. So if you want it to come in fast or slow, you can. Let's grab fade in left to right. This is just basically a fade in left to right. It depends on how short your clip is. So obviously this is gonna be, if you put it out here, it's gonna be a lot slower. You can also just grab the keyframes like I'm doing and just mess with them. That's really nice. Fade out, it's just you know, self-explanatory, it just fades out. These are extremely useful, especially if you're doing some type of just editing for your client, just to do quick like maneuvers so you can get done and go on to your next video. And it gives you more room to add more clients to your arsenal, so everyone loves that. This is a nice flicker effect that you see a lot. I love that. Here's glow. So let's just drag these up here. You want to duplicate this top one, put it on the bottom one, and let's do the low power. See, it gives that nice little glow. You can do normal, gives it more. Then there's a jitter like. This is what Iman's looks like exactly. This is what Iman uses to put his text in like grungiest kind of like, you know, like moving type of style. All you want to do is go up to the term and just crank up the amount and size, and it'll give you even more of an effect like his. See? That is really awesome. This is a pop effect. It's exactly what it is. It just pops. So we can just grab this, put it here. If you want it faster or really fast, pop it back. That looks lovely. Shine effect. This one is really nice. It gives that nice shine. So you can see it does it in the PNG. You can't really do it on text because it's white and the shine is white. So that doesn't really make any sense. Here's my Shine Effect V2. This one's really good for text. I absolutely love it. So for this one, the shine effect to work on the text, you want to give the text a stroke. So we want to give it a black stroke and crank the stroke up quite a bit. Whoa, that's too much. And now watch. Oh, look at that. It gives it a nice little 2-pass too, so it looks a lot better. Slide up and down. I put this one especially in the text because I use this one 24/7, and it's exactly what it says. It just slides up and slides right back down. Looks absolutely amazing. Here's another subtle glow. So you can put this one on any of them. It doesn't matter. You don't have to duplicate them. Just because this one is really, really subtle, and it's just perfect for that really small little touch that you would like. This one's text appear down. It's exactly what it is. You just it pops and it appears down. Text appear up. This one does the exact same thing. It just pops up. Left to right. This one's just another left to right. Same with this one's top to bottom. Awesome. I really love those. Here's a text wiggle effect. It kind of gives that like kind of wiggly type of effect, grungy style, just like Iman uses. And the viral text effect, everyone uses this. This is extremely popular, you've seen. It has that nice like pop. So if you guys want that effect, here you go. And last but not least, wave and stripe effect. This just gives it a nice little like wave kind of, you see? The gift you've been waiting for. If you've watched this far, thank you very much. Use the code SPEED for $5 off your order, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.